Ansia, can you hear me?
Yes,
Ansia, what kind of a teacher would you like to be?
I'm not a strict mother. I'm also a mother. I'm not a strict, but I put some limit on this activities because my son is very naughty. Still, he is very naughty. You can hear his sounds also.
Yes.
And I'm
Okay.
I look teacher not as a profession. I look it as a passion. So I don't try to strict engage them with many activities. I try to engage them
Yes.
and I also play with them.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, you'd like to play? Hold on for a second, okay? കുറച്ചുകൂടെ കുറയ്ക്കാൻ പറയാനേ. Okay, I'm back because they are practicing for tomorrow's program. It is quite noisy, but that's okay. We'll manage, right? Okay, all right. Okay, Sarah, what kind of a teacher would you want to be, or would you wish to be?
I want that kids should be loved by my teaching or the way am going to treat them. And I will be very friendly also, and I will be like their mother, that they will be very like open to speak up with me, so that they can share their, like, what to say, feelings with me. So I think I will be both. As a teacher, I will be best friend or mother or whatever they wish to be. And I wanted them to teach as a teacher, like I want to be a little bit strict, not so much, so that they will not go out of line. So they will do their homeworks and they will learn. And I will be like 50-50.
Okay, so you will be like 50-50. Yes, strict, equally playful. Okay, okay, Sarah. Jasina. What kind of a teacher would you wish to be?
I think want not be strict, but not just strict, and want to friendly way to the kids, but up to a limit. If not lose the children small, that's not a good for our teaching. So Sarah says that 50-50. I think that's
50-50?
better.
Yes, 50.
Because
50.
they are small children, so when we give them more freedom, that's better. We should strict, but much. I think that's the best way, and not more strict and not more.
Yeah.
I think that's the best way.
Yes, yes, yes. You're right. You can be strict as well as friendly as well as playful, right? Kids love movements. You might have heard TPR, total physical response, right? Movements, everything is based on movements. They won't sit in a place, and you can't make them sit in a place at all. So they keep moving. So you got to move along with them, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we'll start off with a song, okay? It's a hello song that you can use when you are with kids or children. Shall I share the screen? Yeah? Of course.
Performance.
Yes, yes. Okay. So this song, it helps you to get names of the kids. If you are taking class for the first time, you are in the class for the first time, and you don't know the names, but you want to know the names. Okay, so through song, you sing as well as you kind of encourage them to speak up and say their names. All right, let's see how it is like. So I'm going to share the screen. Okay. Yeah. Can you see? Can you hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes.
Will you say pickly pickly bumblebee? Will you say your name for me? What's your name? Charlie. Let's say it. Charlie. Let's whisper it. Charlie. Let's sing it. Charlie. We're so glad you're here. Yeah, we're so glad you're here. Hickledy pickledy bumblebee, will you say your name for me? What's your name? Stephanie. Let's say it. Stephanie. Let's whisper it. Stephanie. Let's sing it. Stephanie. We're so glad you're here. Yeah, we're so glad you're here.
Okay, that was nice. Did you like it?
Yes.
Okay, so I will play it one more time and we are going to sing that song here, calling each other's name, okay? Yeah? Ready? Okay, one more time, huh?
Hickledy pickledy bumblebee, will you say your name for me? What's your name? Charlie. Let's say it. Charlie. Let's whisper it. Charlie. Let's sing it. Charlie. We're so glad you're here. Yeah, we're so glad you're here. Hickledy pickledy bumblebee, will you say your name for me? What's your name? Stephanie. Let's say it. Stephanie. Let's whisper it. Stephanie. Let's sing it. Stephanie. We're so glad you're here. Yeah, we're so glad you're here.
Okay, shall we try singing this song? Yes? Yes? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you please turn your videos on, your cameras on? Please turn your cameras on. Turn your cameras on, please. Yeah, so that I can see you, so that we can look at each other and sing, no? Yeah, Jessina has turned her camera on. Yeah, Afnan. Okay, Ansia, others. Okay, it starts with Hickledy Bickledy Bumblebee. Shall we sing it together? Yes? Yeah. Yeah, that's a cute one. So I'm going to play it together, we'll sing, okay? Bumblebee,
will you say your
name for me, what's your name?
Charlie. Let's say it.
Charlie.
Let's whisper it.
Charlie.
Hickledy pickledy bumblebee.
Hickledy Pickledy Bumblebee. Come on. Hickledy Pickledy Bumblebee, will you say your name for me? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? What's his name? What's his name, Anjusha? What is his name? Huh? Charlie. Okay. Alright. Hickledy Pickledy Bumblebee, will you say your name for me? What's your name? Charlie. Let's say it. Charlie. Let's whisper it. Whisper slowly. Charlie. Charlie. Let's sing it. Can you sing Charlie's name, please? Everybody? Sing it. Charlie. Come on. Ah, Sharma's got a wonderful voice. Charlie, we're so glad you're here. We are so glad you are here. So you call out the name of the child and you say that we are so glad that you are here today. That's the song. So you can repeat this many times, okay? Yeah? Shall we sing it together using Charlie's name? I want you all to sing along. Okay? Ready? You can clap your hands just like they do in the video.
Okay, ma'am.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Hicklety picklety bumblebee, will you sing a song for me? Song for me. What's your name? Charlie. Let's say it. Charlie. Let's whisper it. Whispering. Let's whisper it. Let's sing it. Charlie. Come on, you sing his name. Charlie. We're so glad you're here. We are so glad you're here. We are so glad you are here. We're so glad you're here. Come on. Picklety picklety bumblebee, will you say your name for me? What's your name? Will, let's say it. Let's whisper it. Let's sing it. Charlie, we're so glad you're here. We're so glad you're here. Now it's your turn. Mine is done. It's your turn. You can call in anyone's name and do it. Come on. Please don't wait for me to call your name. Just sing. Come on. Pause. We will sing. We are singing. No. Hicklety. I'll help you. Hicklety, hicklety, picklety, bumblebee. Bumblebee, will you say your name for me? What's your name? What's your name? Let's say it. Let's whisper it. First, let's say it. Second, let's whisper it. And third one, let's sing it. Okay, Shauma, come on.
Hicklety picklety bumblebee, will you say your name for me? What's your name? What's your name, Charlie?
Let's say it.
Let's say it.
Charlie. Yes, let's whisper it. Whisper. Whisper is what?
Let's whisper it.
Charlie.
So glad.
And then let's sing it.
Let's sing it.
Now you sing.
Charlie.
Very good. 2 more times. Catch another pitch.
Hicklety picklety bumblebee, will you say name for me? What's your name?
Let's say it.
Let's say it.
Let's whisper it.
Let's whisper it, Charlie.
Let's sing it.
Let's sing it,
Yeah.
Charlie.
We are so glad you're here. We are so glad you're here. We are so
We are so
glad.
glad it.
Very good. Good job. Good job. Very good. Thank you, Sharma. It's very easy. Yeah. So this will help you to make. They'll also sing with you. So your kids also sing with you. They move with you. So you can move around the whole class. This is something that I've used for my KG kids when I was working in a school. Okay, and it worked so perfect. So I'm happy to share this with you. But you have to walk around. Okay, you can't stand in one place. You will have to roam around the whole class and keep calling their names, and they'll be so happy to listen to their names being said, their names being sung, isn't it? Yeah. Somebody else, please.